I gave 5 AI tools the exact same prompt. The results? Honestly, I wasn't ready for what I saw. One of them looked like a real photograph. One of them was a complete disaster. And one of them absolutely shocked me. Stay till the end, because the winner is not what you expect. Welcome back to Creator Blueprint, the channel where we test, compare, and review the latest AI tools, so you don't have to. Today we're testing 5 AI image generators with one single prompt to find out which one creates the most stunning, most realistic, most detailed image in 2026. The tools we're testing: ChatGPT, HiDream, Gemini, and Grok. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's the exact prompt I used for all 5 tools: a beautiful young woman standing in an ancient Japanese temple garden, cherry blossoms falling around her, wearing a red kimono, golden hour lighting, ultra-detailed, photorealistic, cinematic composition, 8K quality. Same prompt, same settings, zero editing on the results. What you see is exactly what each AI generated. Now let's start. First up, ChatGPT. This is probably the most well-known AI tool on the planet right now. I went to chat.openai.com, typed in the prompt, and hit generate. And here's what it produced. Look at the details, the kimono texture, the cherry blossoms, the lighting on her face. I have to say, for a tool that's primarily known as a chatbot, the image quality here is genuinely impressive. The colors are rich, the composition is cinematic, and the overall realism, pretty stunning. But wait, because things are about to get very interesting. Now tool number 2, and this one genuinely surprised me. I did not expect this result. Now this one is less known than ChatGPT, but don't let that fool you. I entered the exact same prompt and hit generate, and look at this result. The level of detail here is insane. Look at the fabric of the kimono. The way the light hits her hair, the cherry blossoms look almost real. Honestly, this might be better than ChatGPT. The colors are more vibrant, the composition feels more artistic, and the realism is on another level. I was genuinely shocked, but we still have 3 more tools to go, and trust me, things are about to get even more interesting. Tool number 3, HiDream, and this one, let's just say I had to look twice. HiDream is one of the newer AI image generators out there, and I have to say it handled this prompt in a very unique way. Look at this result. The artistic style here is completely different from what we've seen so far. The colors are dreamlike, the atmosphere is almost magical, and the level of detail, absolutely incredible. What I love about HiDream is how it interprets the prompt in its own artistic way. It's not just photorealistic, it's something more, something between a photograph and a painting, and honestly, that makes it stand out from everything else we've tested. Tool number 4, Gemini, Google's flagship AI model. I entered the same prompt, and this is what Gemini produced. Now look at this carefully. The composition is solid, the colors are accurate, the details are clean, but here's what's interesting. Gemini tends to play it safe. The result is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but compared to what we've seen from and HiDream, it feels slightly more conservative, more polished, less artistic, still impressive, but is it the best? We have one more tool left, and this last one, I saved the most shocking result for last. Tool number 5, Grok, built by xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, same prompt. Let's see what happens, and here is the result. Wow, okay, I was not expecting this. The level of photorealism here is on a completely different level. Look at the skin texture, the fabric details, the way the light catches the cherry blossoms. This looks less like an AI-generated image and more like a professional photograph. The depth of field is perfect. The color grading is cinematic. And the overall composition, this might be the best result we've seen today. But is it the winner? Let's find out. Okay, let's rank all 5 tools. In 5th place, Gemini. Don't get me wrong, Gemini is powerful, but for image generation, it plays it too safe. The result was clean, but not stunning. In 4th place, ChatGPT. ChatGPT surprised me with its image quality, but compared to the others, it lacked that extra artistic touch. In 3rd place, HiDream. HiDream created something truly unique between a painting and a photograph. If you want artistic images, this is your tool. In second place, Uni genuinely shocked me. The detail, the colors, the realism, all on a very high level. This is a seriously underrated tool. In first place, Grok, the level of photorealism, the cinematic quality, the attention to detail. Grok produced the most stunning, most realistic, most professional-looking image out of all 5 tools. So that's it, 5 AI image generators. 1 prompt, 1 winner. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest AI tool comparisons every single week. And drop a comment below, which AI tool do you think would win this test? I'll see you in the next one.